Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your confirmation statement. First, understand that this statement is a crucial document verifying your company's public record details. It ensures all information held by Companies House remains current and accurate. Most companies are required to submit one at least every 12 months to maintain compliance and transparency. Before you begin, gather all necessary information. You will need your company's registration number and the authentication code. Ensure you have up-to-date details for all directors, secretaries, and shareholders. Confirm your registered office address is correct and have accurate share capital and statement of capital information readily available for submission. You have two main options for filing. The quickest and most efficient way is to use the Companies House web filing service online. This digital method often processes your statement within hours. Alternatively, you can complete and submit a paper form CS01 by postal mail, though this method usually takes a bit longer to process. Meeting your deadline is critical. You must submit your confirmation statement within 14 days of its due date. Failing to do so can lead to significant fines for both the company and its directors. Furthermore, repeated noncompliance could ultimately result in your company being struck off the register, so always file on time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.